So we're now in the car. So there's my dad. He's going to be driving us to the peak, and it's currently raining at the moment, unfortunately, but the view there is still going to be pretty because it's not overly cloudy, if that makes sense. You guys are going to see the view and you guys will see it. It's going to be so exciting. Alright guys, so we have arrived at the peak. So this is pretty much the building that most people associate the peak with. So my parents and I are going to go find a cafe because I need coffee. I'm so... like, I was literally so quiet in the car. I'm so sorry I haven't been vlogging. I was just like, I need coffee, I can't think, I can't speak. But we're finally here. We're gonna get coffee and then I'll show you guys a little bit more of the view. Alright guys, so we're now at this place called Pacific Coffee. So my parents and I are just admiring the view. The rain has kind of stopped, so that's good. So I'm just gonna have cheesecake and some coffee, work up some energy, like really perk myself up. And then there's like a little viewing spot over there that I think is perfect for what I need for my Maybelline clip. And also just to take a few photos, obviously, because why not? You're here at the peak, you might as well take photos. So there's that traditional looking building over there. That's where we're going to try and take photos later. I don't even know what that place is called, but it overlooks that. So extra, so pretty. Alright guys, so I've just had some coffee and we're going to go to a little lookout point. I'm going to take some photos, but I feel like I do need to touch up my lips though. I think my lipstick is kind of faded in the middle, but I think the rest of my face looks pretty good. Jen. So that vantage point I was talking about, it's just above us. There's like a little staircase here. That's my mum and my dad. And this is where I recommend you guys come to take your photos of the harbour, because literally not a lot of people actually come down here. They're all up there because, I don't know, they just want to stay up there. But this is the view. Alright guys, so we have left the peak and now my dad has thought that we should go to Stanley Beach, which is a nice beach here in Hong Kong. So we're just going to drive there and I'll show you guys a bit of the view as well. And you know, we're going to take a few more photos. I haven't been here since I was a kid, like it's been years. Like every time I come visit Hong Kong, I never really come here because it's not very accessible unless you take a few buses or drive, and my parents obviously drove today. So this is the view. It's so pretty. I really need to come up with new words to use in these videos, but honestly, like look at that. And that's a H&M store. That's just so extra. So damn extra. I'm going to go into the supermarket and grab some water. So these are some of the chips that are available here in Hong Kong. So it's sort of like American based ones. So this one is like my favorite. I know we have these flavors in Australia as well, but they taste very different. So I'm gonna grab one of these and then one of these, and then what it says buy two get one free. So we might as well grab a Ruffles as well, because I love Ruffles as well. Ba't hindi mo ako pinindang habang nagpunta?
Isa pa. Yung kinukuha na kita. Okay, isa pa.
Okay. Get these as well. Oh, it's such a nice day now. It was raining, but now it's all just like blue skies on that side. I don't know if you guys can see that. That side is still pretty much cloudy. This place is beautiful. Apparently my mum told me this building here, the H&M building, it used to be a museum of some sort, but now they've converted it into shops and restaurants from what I can see. It's really cool. And then you've got all the houses and stuff over there. guys, we're here at Causeway Bay. We're going to have a family dinner at a Korean barbecue place. That's my little brother, Kurt. Camera shy. I'll show you guys a little bit of it. I'm honestly still very tired from the last few days, so I'm probably not going to talk too much because I don't really like vlogging when I'm not in the mood, if I don't have energy. But I will try, I promise, I will try just to vlog a bit more, and then I'll be hopefully chattier tomorrow. Okay, they're gesturing for me. Let's go. So we're going to go to that place, Honwol Korean restaurant.
Kasama ko na.
Hey guys, it's the next day. I'm so sorry yesterday I wasn't in the mood to like talk. I think because I've been go ever since I got here, like all my energy was gone, and because my dad was driving I kind of didn't have to be alert and like actively looking around. I think just because I was sitting down in the car I was just like, I'm just going to take this in one day at a time. I'm just going to take this in 1 minute at a time as opposed to every second. So yeah, that's why I was a bit slow and wasn't really talking too much, and also because it was also a family day, so I was kind of like busy just catching up with everyone and, you know, paying them attention as opposed to just talking to my camera. Oh, and yes, today is a makeup free day. Today I'm just wearing some Bioderma Photoderm BB cream. I don't know, I just wanted to see my skin again. As much as I love wearing makeup, there are days where I just feel like I can't be bothered. Oh yeah, today's a makeup free day. I'm not wearing any makeup. I'm wearing a BB cream. It's from Bioderma. It's a Photoderm BB cream. It just has a bit of a tint. It evens out your skin tone. Don't mind that. That's just from shaving. It just evens out your skin tone. And now I'm looking at myself and my face is really pale. It's always been that pale though. Anyway, I'm going to check out a different coffee place before I head off to Mongkok. I think it's called Winston's Coffee. My partner and I actually walked past it last time we were here, but I didn't really know it was one of those Instagram worthy cafes. So I'm going to grab a coffee there because I need another coffee, and then we're going to make our way to Mongkok. Alright guys, so that's the coffee place over there. So if you guys are going to be taking the MTR, just go to Sangpun station and get off at platform, or exit A1 I should say. That's what it looks like. Looks pretty empty at the moment, so I'm going to go see if I can grab a coffee before I head off. I'm inside now. I'm sitting in the corner, but this is the cafe. It's pretty cool. The coffee is reasonably affordable. Tastes pretty good too, I have to say. I've taken a couple of photos in here already. I just really like the aesthetic. I really love the vibe, and the fact that it's next to a train station. That makes it so convenient. So if you guys want to check this out, I don't think we have Instagram, but I'll leave like links and stuff down in the description box down below for you guys. Here's a map of the train system here. So I'm currently here at Sangpun and I want to go to Mongkok, so I'll have to either transfer at Central or Admiralty. I'll probably transfer at Central because that's the beginning of the line, so I'll probably be able to find a decent spot on the train and then take it all the way to Mongkok and then just decide from there where I want to go. I do have a couple of things I still want to buy, and if I can't get it from Mongkok, I'll go maybe Wanchai or Causeway Bay, or Taikoo, which they have another shopping centre there that I used to go to as a kid, so who knows, I might do that as a journey. Alright, so I'm not very familiar with Mongkok, so I'm just going to look at the directory. I think I want to go to... maybe I'll go check out Langham Place first. It's basically a shopping centre. They've got a couple of shops there that I want to have a look at as well anyway. Alright guys, so we're here at the computer center. Again, I'm just going to look at prices. Maybe I can find another hard drive for myself that's relatively affordable. So I've just gotten out of the computer center, got myself a wired keyboard. I got myself a wired mouse and keyboard. I'm going to go into the ladies market now. I'm going to grab a couple of like little souvenirs, and then I'm going to go check out the actual shoe shops and get some shoes. Yeah, I had to put my backpack in front of me because I don't have a bag for this keyboard, and I don't want it like falling out or anything falling out because there are pickpocketers here as well. So just trying to be safe. Alright, so let's make our way.
Yeah, funny.
Hey guys, it is my last day here in Hong Kong, and I pretty much started the vlog pretty much towards the end of it. I need to go to a supermarket. I need to go to a supermarket and grab a couple of things. Sorry, my lens is fogging up. But before that, I need to grab some coffee because the coffee at home is too weak for me. I'm gonna check out this cafe, which is pretty much near where my parents live. I think the name is Brew Bros. So I'm gonna check that out and grab a coffee. Alright guys, I'm in one of the supermarkets. I'm trying to be sneaky in here, so I'm not gonna really point the camera at myself. I'm here to grab some of my favorite noodles. The favorites ones are this one and that one. I'm gonna see if I can get like a pack itself. Oh, this is new. It's kind of like the, what's it called? Ichiran ones that we had. Alright, I might get these two to try, and then I'll get a pack of these maybe. I know it says for two, but like I literally have no space in my suitcase.
Yeah, we can pass.
Yeah.
Yes. And good.
Oh my gosh guys, the last few minutes have been insane, have been intense. So there was like a flash protest, and my dad was supposed to pick me up and take me to the airport. That did not happen. So we just had to get into an Uber, take the Uber to the Airport Express, and I'm just going to take the Airport Express to the airport. Apparently the staff said like the Airport Express is fine, so I don't have to worry about it, so that's good. It's just so stressful. Hey guys, so I'm here at this restaurant called Beef and Liberty. Every other restaurant here is kind of like closed or like takeaway place. The only ones that are open are sort of like these Asian cuisine ones, and honestly I'm kind of over Asian food, so I went to this one. The only one that I can tell is like Western. I only got chips and also got a milkshake because I know we're going to have dinner on the plane anyway. I just wanted a place to kind of like chill. I will look for the relaxation lounge later because I know they've got like charging ports and everything, so I can do some editing as well. But this is the vibe in here.